Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to compare 4 detailing products that temporarily condition and bring back plastic trim, either black or gray. And we're going to put them side by side, all 4 of them on the same panel. We'll compare them. We'll compare how they're applied, what they look like when they're first applied, when they're curing, when they're fully cured. And then after that, we'll beat them up a little bit. We'll see if any of them stand out from the rest when it comes to protecting that panel, repelling water, free-flowing water, like you're in a rainstorm, or how about some harsh chemicals. We're going to throw some stuff at it and see which one of those trim shine or trim conditioners last the longest. So we have Vera Shine from Nanoskin, we have Corona from Angelwax, we have Preserve from Gyeon, and we also have Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. Let's take a look at those. Okay, so we have 2 products that are creams, and we have 2 products that have the consistency of olive oil. This is one here. This is the Nanoskin Vera Shine. All these products are for conditioning and livening up plastic trim, either gray or black. This here is a cream. It's the Gyeon Preserve. We also have Angelwax Corona. And by the way, I have individual videos for each and every one of these products if you want to revert back to them to get some more details. Finally, we have a cream that's the Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. This is the plastic piece, the plastic trim we're going to be conditioning, applying these 4 products to. It's oxidized, faded, scraped up, all beat up. And it's also dirty. And before we apply any of these products, just like any coating or any kind of conditioner, we want to clean it first. We want a nice naked surface to apply these conditioners to, so they have the best bond and they have the best chance of lasting. Now, having 2 creams and 2 oils, you would think the oils would have a better chance penetrating the porous surface of this plastic trim and conditioning and protecting a little bit better, but we shall see. That's what this is for. We're going to put all 4 side by side and see how they perform. We're going to divide this off into 4 sections. I dried it with forced air, left it go for a while because besides being perfectly clean, we want it to be absolutely dry before applying any of these products to give them the best chance. That's going to do it. So first up is going to be the Nanoskin Vera Shine. This is an oily substance used to condition and revitalize plastic trim of any color. As you can see here, all of these products will go on glossy, semi-glossy, but they, for the most part, will cure to a nice satin finish, and it will feel natural as well, because a lot of them can be used on interiors. And I'll bring you in close as we apply each product. Each section is only going to get 1 coat, because I'm going to coat this, then I'm going to get on with my day. I'll come back at the end of the day when these are typically cured, and we'll move on with the testing from there. Okay, and this is right after it's applied, the first few seconds as it starts to set. Okay, next up, Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. This is a cream. And by the way, after I'm done with this section, I'm going to quick label each section so we can keep track. The product up close and its application. It's applying shiny and glossy, but not quite as glossy as the first section we just did. Okay, that section is done, and we're into the first few minutes as this starts to cure the Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. Okay, next up, Angelwax Corona. the product up close as it's being applied. That section is complete. We can let the Corona cure. And finally, Gyeon Preserve. Again, up close during application, they all go on glossy, but that gloss will recede as it cures over time. I'm going to let it cure the rest of the day. Okay, let's take a quick look. This has been 10-15 minutes before I head out for the day. They are just now starting to cure. Okay, fast forward a few hours later. I did remove the tape dividing each section so you could see that all the products did their work. They cured to a satin look, some darker than others. I'll let you take a look at those. Now, I'll let you see which one looks the best. Then we're going to start beating them up and see which one lasts, see which one is durable, and see which one protects the best. Okay, when it comes to bringing the plastic trim back to a nice deep, dark, rich color, to me it looks like Gyeon Preserve, and then second would be Corona, and then Masterson's, and then Vera Shine. So now we're going to beat them up a bit and see which one will protect, which one is a little bit more durable, which one repels water, rainwater, and we'll move on. Okay, we're going to start with water because if they can't repel water, well then they're only going to last until either the next rainstorm or the next time you wash the car. I'm going to bring you in and I'll give you different angles, but if you're seeing what I'm seeing, there are two that are fighting off and repelling water, and there are two more that really are not putting up much of a fight against free-flowing water at all. So for just a plastic trim conditioner, the Corona is crazy hydrophobic. The Vera Shine is fighting off a little bit, and the other two really aren't putting up much of a fight at all when it comes to rainstorms or any kind of water. That's very important. That's going to tell you which product will last from wash to wash and which product will exceed washes, rainstorms, and maybe stretch it out to a month or two. I'm going to continue to beat these up with free-flowing water, and then we'll move on to some stronger chemicals. After hitting them really good with water, I dried it the best I could so we could see if any section was left there at all. And it looked like the Vera Shine and the Corona is hanging on by a thread. The other two, if you applied them to your car and it went through a wash or a rainstorm, you would have to then reapply. Okay, so I'm going to step it up a bit, and I'm going to use an all-purpose cleaner straight up and then hit it with water again and see if the Corona and the Vera Shine have any kind of fight whatsoever. And as you can see here, they do. Okay, let's see if we can finish these off all together, and we'll use a strong IP solution, and we'll see if the Corona and the Vera Shine survive that. We'll follow up again with free-flowing water. As I bring in for a close look, there is one section that is still alive, barely, but a huge difference compared to the other section. The panel is dried with forced air so we could see which, if any section at all, still has any remaining product left on it. If you enjoyed this, put down in the comments section 4 trim, shine, or conditioners you would like to see side by side, and I'll sneak a video in for you. Alright guys, again, those products there are temporary conditioners for plastic trim. They're not going to last very long. We're going to get into some of the more semi-permanent fixes for plastic trim. We'll do this all over again with products such as Solution Finish, Gyeon Trim, Black Pearl, and some others. It was a very interesting test. It was really neat to compare those side by side, see how they act, see how they're applied, see how they cure. So we're definitely going to do that again. If you want to see that, let me know down in the comments section. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.